This is where it all starts. Devil's Kitchen Trail. That way. Here we go.
Down there?
Alright, y'all. Here's where it starts to get interesting. Let me get the 40 ounce out of our Haha Tonka YouTube 40 ounce.
In no way do you.
I do not condone smoking of Marlboro cigarettes of any kind.
Officially, it's bad for you.
Smoking cigarettes is bad for you. Drink malt liquor. Get paid. Now, check this out, you guys. Here's where we're gonna see the cool shit. You see down in that cave? That's where we're going. Only we ain't going this way. We're going around.
What's wrong with that? Oh, you can't go that way unless you got rope. That's why.
You could Spider-Man your ass down the side of that. I wouldn't recommend it. Let's see. Where's the path at?
Ain't that it?
I guess this is it. So here we go. Do you want me to camera it on the way down, or you got it?
Got it. I'm doing pretty good, Matt. Not making it jump everywhere.
Just don't fall down the rock. No, cut it, because I don't want it to be too long. Recording?
Yep.
There you go.
Let me try to zoom in.
Down in the cave. Drinking a 40. Now, from down here, you could probably guess the cavemen were drinking 40s of water. They didn't have beer. And they probably picked up a whole lot of deer meat and dogs. Alright, come down. Good shot of that in the background. I'm gonna walk over there, go up the top of it.
Camera ain't big enough, dude. There's all the woods behind it. That's all you can see.
Almost. Ain't enough room. Whoa! Even tip up a 40. So.
Can't hear you. Can't see nothing but motherfucking rock.
Zoom in, man. Okay, good shot. Devil's Kitchen. Oh yeah.
I keep going. What they call this ninja foo.
How about all farther I'm going?
Are you still drinking or what?
Back over here.
Big thumbs up. Well, that's the sun. That was the sun blinding us again.
Put your tray tables, seat backs in the upright position. We're approaching the swill. Swill, swill, swill. Almost a half a bottle of swill. Let's get warm. So we gotta do this. Now, I just got to weigh in on this Christmas thing. Today is, September 4th, 2010, and I keep hearing all this, oh, Christmas is just around the corner. Ladies and gentlemen, it's still summertime. We've not reached the fall equinox. Christmas comes after the winter solstice. This means Christmas is an entire season away. Now let's see. It's September, so September, October, November, December. We're pushing 4 months, people. My cameraman is falling down an avalanche. So, now you're getting me on the video.
Yeah.
Christmas is not just around the corner, people. So drink malt liquor. Oh yeah. And be looking for the redo of the river cave. The last video I made, the 40-ounce fail, that was the river cave.
You tried those shards of glass popsicles?
Don't eat shards of glass popsicles, people. I'm the Chrome Snake.